Hello and welcome to this week's bridge update. It doesn't look like a whole lot has happened over the last couple of weeks. So as I pull up here and try to dodge this person who is already in space, they left. The big thing that has been happening is internal work. Now, these feet here on this the anchor point, whatever it is, these have been getting ready. These have been getting ready for the end piece to be brought in and pulled out like they did on the other side. But the big thing that has been happening is the stuff that we can't see inside. They've been running all the cables across the bottom to pull everything together and hold it in place. They've got this one segment here. They have been getting new segments. They've now got 8 of them total with the one that's up there. There was a truck that came in on Thursday. I didn't get a good look at it. I'll have to look at the side views to pause them and see exactly what was on that truck, but it was not a segment carrier. It was not big enough. And it didn't look like it had segment stuff on it from what little I was able to glance. But nothing really visible outside has been happening outside of those feet getting placed, and they're covered up so that they keep the heat in and cure properly. So it's not a really exciting thing to see, but there are more segments, and it's going to have more done very soon. Last week there were 3 men that came and walked the bridge, the new section, this other section over here. I don't know what they were talking about. I was nowhere within range, but it looked like they were talking about the engineering and so forth and plans. So something's in the works. Final decisions are being made, and we are headed towards final completion. It's really awesome to watch this get built, but not terribly exciting to see all the things that haven't changed visibly. Go around the weeds there. On this side, it looks like they've been prepping for something. There have been some trucks that have come in and out this week, but I'm not sure that I see any real difference in the amount of gravel that's been poured. Maybe there is. But as I come in on the walk in, which I just did the final walk, I do this backwards because more people want to see the structure over there getting built. You can see a little bit of the work over there, but let's jump down under the bridge. And if you really want to go and stand in this spot, good luck not twisting your ankle. You can see the gravel that got spread. It's basically almost to the top. Makes it easier for people to get up and down. And there was a plane up there. I thought I saw it. Can't tell what I'm seeing in that tiny little screen on the back of the GoPro. But there have been trucks coming up and down this hill, and some of them have been dropping off stuff. I don't know if that is to prep for paving or if they were just having problems with mud. So maybe there's something, I don't know. Maybe there's not something interesting going on with that. I don't know why there's gravel getting poured up at the top of the hill. I'm getting distracted by this truck getting towed. But there is a there's gravel coming up and down the hill. I don't know which direction it's going. I just saw some trucks going up and down the hill this last week, and at least one of them was dumping some gravel over towards the downhill to the bottom over there. Who knows? So that's the walk back across. I somehow did not activate the camera on my way out, so we only have the dash cam for the way out. But the big thing with this, they closed the parkway. It's been 3 weeks now. I mean, I put some video of the sign saying that it was going to be closed, and I thought it was going to be the next week, but it was that week because they shifted the traffic over onto the new paving up here. Totally surprised me and blew my mind, but it's good to see this in place because that means that they're now going to start final preparations for working up to the bridge. So not a lot to see this week, but I do have one big request. If you would like me to do commentary on all of my video, let me know, especially the full runs, because when I finish those on Monday, I render them and I put them for upload and I go to bed because it just takes so long. So let me know if you want to see that, because otherwise I'm going to leave them all silent still. Well, end of the video. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.